Yeah, I had to make a video, but, cause I was doing like some searching online, and I came across, um, uh, I'm doing this from my bed, so, late night, right? They were saying the reason why they don't do, in America, it's banned, for the most part banned, hedging is not allowed, and I said, what? I mean, it makes me think, because, I've used hedging, and I think I've been doing this. I'm trying to think, I've been using hedging how long? Maybe for like a year straight or something like that. I tried did different accounts. Some were, this is shut down now. What's it called? My Forex funds. I had 70,000. I had no, was it 75 or 20? I know it was a 50,000 account, and then it was a 20. Was it a 25 or 20? I think it was a 20. It was like a 20K, and then it was a 50K. And then I had 70, and then I was about to pass, and they shut down, and it turned me off the platform. I'm like, I'm not doing it. You know what I mean? I was going to stay away from there and all that stuff. I just now got back into it. I stayed away from trading altogether, I think. Really, yeah, I stayed away from trading altogether. RSI blueprint strategy, it stopped working. And I just started like losing a lot of money. So completely stopped it. I was like, you know what? That's it. I've gone as far as I can. That's it, right? But, I had just discovered hedging, and then I went back to it and I said, you know what? I'm going to do this some more. And it was just so easy. And I had to go back through my notes and look at, what I had figured out, a lot of the data, and things like that I had figured out. But here I wanted to show you, matter of fact, before I get to that, I was searching and I saw in Forex Factory, said for a reason to ban hedging out of NFA, I guess. I just searched it, just like what I hit. And it's just ridiculous. It said 0. Well, why don't it should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? But anyway, it said no. Sorry, this is going off. Hold on. I wish I could. How do you mute that? These notifications, right? No, let's come back to that. All right. So, and I'll explain what that is. It said no financial benefit for the trader. No financial benefit. How? But hedging has never lost me money though. Unless I made like kind of a mathematical error, like a human error or something. But doing it properly, I never lost money. So, how is it not a financial benefit for the trader? Maybe like their particular idea or their strategy that they're talking about. It's so vague. It's to push you away from doing it. It's like we're all conditioned to decide, okay, is the trade going up? Is the trade going down? But the thing is that if you're hedging, it does not matter. Nobody gives a damn. Doesn't matter. You make money. And this is why I noticed that some brokers stay away from it, because, you would never lose money. To double the spread cost and simply close position, both long and short position, or swap on. Well, I used a simulated one with, Liquid FX. I think it's called Liquid, LQDFX, whatever. If you go here, right, and look at this, I did an example before they had sold off their stuff or whatever, and I didn't do any more trades, but I was just the ones just sitting there. I can't do anything to the account. I just left it alone. It's just a demo. So but it's a good example. Look, I did the first trade. Yeah, that paused. Let's see, trading activity, open history. Okay, the 18th, right? And there was some I did that did not hit. It just, the first trade ended up going to profit, which, I mean, that's what's gonna happen sometimes. Just gonna make your win rate go up a little. Then, oh, this is cool. Okay, look, from 18, look at this. This is within a month. 18, 418, right? You have the dates. Turn this thing down. 418, you have the dates. 418, 430. It's within a month. Like, that's like, what, 12 days? Something like that. 11 and a half or something. And in 11 and a half days, it's 11.4%. Would 11.4% gain pass you? Would that not pass you? Wouldn't you pass your challenge? It didn't take that many trades. I mean, this one, not counting this one because that ended up going on, and then I had closed it because, anyway, but it was already here at this point. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 13 trades. 13 trades, and I didn't have to guess direction. I didn't have to say, like, who gives a damn about Sharp ratio and all this stuff? Who cares? Right? You're doubling the order each time. Yeah, I was simulating 1,000 because I was imagining taking $1,000 and would somebody took $1,000, what would it, So anyway, I think the leverage was it 200? Yeah, I think it was 200. So yeah, that was at 200. So, but 11% would pass you, and this is without me doing any research. Like, I mean, just being able to see, like, my, the strategy, right? How I set up my hedging, the entry and stuff. Like, just doing that. Like, not even caring about, okay, yeah, the yen's doing it, the news came out, and blah, blah, blah. You know what I mean? Like, I don't care about that stuff. And then they said, oh, increase cost by doubling the expense. Oh, fuck, look at this. Where is it? It was something about, it showed the commission, it said commission paid. It was like $6 or something. I'm trying to find where it's, no. Oh, yeah, commissions. Lots, right? See? Just like I told you. And that's really it. I mean, it's just, they're, people are conditioned to buy and sell. Unless they want you to be buying and selling, buying and selling. They do not want you to be doing hedges. They do not want you, oh, there it says 1, 200, I was right. They do not want you doing that. They do not want you doing this. Because if you ever did that, if you ever discovered how to do this, your life will change forever. you would never ever have to worry about where the freaking price is going. That's it. I'm done.